Hey, today I'm going to teach you a simple and fun blues. We're going to combine licks with chords. And this is a great playing on the porch type of thing, where you don't need a backing track. You just keep grooving on this thing over and over. It's simple, it's fun, and friends and family are going to think you sound awesome. So let's check it out. All right, here is the first lick. So I'm starting on the open B string, play that note, switch to open E string, then go up here to the minor third, and you bend that note slightly. And then you come back on the open E string. That is the lick. And the way you count it is you start on the 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And after that, we're going to play the E7 chord. So we're going to hit the chord on the 3 on the downstroke, on the 3 and with an upstroke, and then again on the 4 and with an upstroke. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if we combine that with a lick, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's how you play it. And then we do it a second time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and. So after we have done that twice, we're going to move to the 4 chord, A7. And the lick is almost the same. You see it ends differently. Here we slide up to the 5th fret and then come back on this note. And then the chord A7, I bar these 3 strings, D, G, and B strings, and then I add the ring finger up here. And the rhythm for the chord is the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we go back to the 1 chord. Now we're going up to the 5 chord, and we're going to play the lick this way. Slide up and end the lick there. And then we're going to play the B7 chord. So let's play that section. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And then for the last lick. So now I'm going up here and play. Come back on this note and bend it slightly. And end on open string again. And then we add the chord. And that's the whole thing. So now let's play it together. All right, folks, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please add a comment and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And hey, be careful out there. I'll see you next time.